Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch fast spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Coming out back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, cargo cover, fold-down rear seats. Come alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, a black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Our media display. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard key for media display. Cup holders. Turn wheel and dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 25,143 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.